La 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 la.
Oh my days.
Good morning YouTube, another week here. Say this every week, but it soon comes around, doesn't it? Break up Friday, you think, oh, I've got a nice weekend, but it goes like that, doesn't it? To be fair, I've done a lot this weekend really. Just been chilling, so had a good rest. So yeah, we're just on our way to install a set of gates that I've had for a while to do since before Christmas. The lads have just been to pick them up from galvanisers, which, to be fair, I'm getting a bit sick of them galvanisers. I mentioned that last week as well. I think I'm going to start taking them elsewhere. It's as if to just rush them all. Forks just bend all stuff, and you know, pick them up like bananas. So yeah, it's not the best. And they're meant to fettle them down. They don't do all like that. You know, it's like pride at job's gone out of it. Just rushing them all through. Like I say, you take them down. It's supposed to be, I think it's 3 days normally. Now it's just change it every time you go down. It's different, so you never know. So yeah, we're just down here now at South Kirksall Road, just sussing it out. We just got newly give us wrong code for padlock, but just rung him anyway and get it sorted out. There's all cameras there watching you. Oh yeah, they'll be watching us now, won't they? But yeah, so I think there's a few people camping, living in here by the looks of it. This one in first, so that's a bit higher than this one, and then get the level across. The job for you on a Monday, yeah? Aye. What's up with my I think my camera's a bit cloudy. So yeah, sure Jamie will get a nice video of this when they're doing it.
Good morning. As you'll see, following on from Mark's video, we've installed the double leaf gates. With this curb being here, we've had to, obviously when you cross them, your stile drops down, there's a curb at back. So we've literally had to take his measurement off that curb there, which is highest point. It's literally millimetres off it, so there's a bit of a gap, but it's not too severe. I think they look sweet. Attach the other railings back on at each side. Bobbed fellas lock back on. There you have it.
One of them Mondays we should have done better in school, Jacob, innit?
I would change my life for the world.
One with his crank post. Just marking all holes to drill. What we need to do is just cut in the last few. Making a meal or something like usual. Right, Jacob.
Yeah, sound.
So these crank posts that we're making, basically, they go over the wall so that the fencing sits in line with the face of the wall. We made a batch of 100 of these last year for Cavendish School. So what you do is, you drill the hole. You already have these clips pre-folded, and you riv nut that up there, so then you've got a thread, and the clamp bar goes on top. We've spent 300 quid on riv nuts, and riv nutted all 400 riv nuts, just to realise that they didn't quite go through far enough, so they were falling out. We had to pull every single one of them off and then go and buy some more. So yeah, we won't make that mistake again, will we, Jacob?
We definitely will not.
That were a grim couple of days, wasn't it?
Will it more?
Oh, we're out there in the rain, weren't we, like this?
We were crowbarring them and knocking.
Hammering them all off.
Lovely day that.
Yeah.
Proper enjoyed it.
Captain Meat Whistle.
Hello.
Run us 20 posts. And we're done and dusted. They can get to Galvin Coats tomorrow. Happy days.
Good boss that. I bought them all a sandwich, but we don't bother working. All we do is sit in the office eating sandwiches.
Dinner time, so.
Dinner time, so we haven't even started. 10:30 it was struck a bat. We've got one posting at yard, which I'll show you shortly. We've got all machinery, but we don't know what we're doing. None of us know how to use it, but I think Cal sussed it out. So we might get that into play yet. But we haven't even got a string level fences and we haven't got one. string line. So Baggy's just nip round corner to get one. So he'll be back soon, we'll have this sandwich and then we'll get on putting these posts in. Like I say, we've got one in. I'll show you when I go out. Back at it. Machines here, look. Look, steel. Look, we haven't got fancy brand new laser levels. Only Carl knows how to work. They're all a bit done, but look, we've got his little one. We've got his big one with auger on. We've got everything at this firm. We've got this one set up already. Looks a bit odd because ground just goes away here, look. So we're just going to set it up with laser, and then we're going to we've set his pin in over there. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a pin there. We're going to get that one in next and then put a string line across with his laser. Is that as right then, Carl? You
But racket eye, we're only 10 mil out. Just wants to come down a touch, but unless we go at that, because it's actually critical that.
I'll just have a conference with my mate Carl, I'll be back.
Just realised we didn't get any footage yesterday, did we, Jacob?
We didn't, no, not on the champ cam anyway.
I know, it probably seems like when we don't get footage, we're not busy, but it's actually opposite. The days when we get loads of footage, it looks busy. We're probably actually not as busy them days. So yesterday we were running around ragged. We didn't get any footage at all, but we've got a big steel order in. Poor Jacob's having to cut it all up into rain. And we're all putting his retaining wall in down the yard. We might have just caught a break in Jamie and Baggy's arguing. His steel's going in. All the way down there. Mark's staying nice and dry in there.
Good morning. So just back on with putting the rest of these posts in. As you can see, we got most of them in yesterday. We've just got 2 more to do. Baggy's having a go at digger today. Look. A bit of training, so he's just getting that one in there. It's nearly done. We've got concrete coming about 10:30, so these are the last 2 to do. It's gone too far. Baggy, you've gone a bit far there, this way. Then there's a 2440, just checking that.
You're all there, yeah.
I'm up with a bit of post mix yesterday, just so they're solid for today. And then we'll fill them up and then they act as retaining wall. Getting there, just like I say, we're just still waiting for concrete, but nearly there now. You can see them, but in well over a metre of them. We'll get a load of concrete around them. These will never move in a million years. Not too bad, I've just got a bit more here and I'll get a load more dumps eventually. But I just want waiting now for his concrete panels that'll slot in between these. Once I get them in, then obviously I can backfill up to them, you know, along the bottom there. So it'll never move. Be solid as out.
We're on with some combo gates today. A few of these lately. There's steel racks bursting it seems, so we need to get some gates made. It's Friday, Jacob. Yeah. Another early start, but we've got we've been a bit slow on old champ cam because we've just been trying to get this job done. This is for is it Ben Ridding Scouts, is this?
Yeah, but it's spelled weird, isn't it? It's like riding with an H, isn't it? Yeah.
Well, that's how you spell Ridding, you sausage.
No, because, well, how would you? RHYDDING. That's riding. Yeah, maybe that actually. You know what you say?
I think you should get back to your colouring books and your crayons for a bit, Jacob. Yeah. Jacob, I like you, but just not in that kind of way, mate.
Happy Valentine's Day.
A little romantic, yeah. For your mum, yeah?
So we've got concrete lads here now, but we're just filling them up. Don't mess about these boys. 2, 3, 4 in already. Got our big mate here, look, he don't mess about. Strong like bull, new mix concrete. We use these quite a bit. Good lads here, so if you need any concrete, Leeds, Pudsey area. Based in Pudsey, innit? Pudsey, yeah. Pudsey based, yeah. So don't mess about, look. Is there enough in there, Baggy, or does it want to?
I think it's alright.
Yeah, good.
Level thing here.
Right, so anyway, I'll get off and we'll just get the rest of these in.